The Gulfstream G700 and Bombardier Global 8000 are two of the most advanced ultra-long-range business jets ever created, designed to offer unmatched comfort, speed, and performance for the most discerning travelers. While both jets promise a luxurious flight experience and incredible capabilities, they have distinct features that set them apart. The Gulfstream G700 is the latest flagship from Gulfstream Aerospace. It boasts the longest, widest, and tallest cabin in its class. With a range of up to 7,750 nautical miles, it connects cities like New York to Hong Kong or London to Buenos Aires without refueling. Its top speed of Mach 0.925 allows it to cross continents quickly while maintaining comfort. Inside, the G700 offers up to 5 living areas, including a master suite with an optional shower. The cabin features 20 panoramic windows, the largest in business aviation, flooding the interior with natural light. Gulfstream's signature cabin environment includes 100% fresh air, a low cabin altitude of 2,916 feet at 41,000 feet, and a whisper-quiet experience, ensuring passengers arrive refreshed. On the other hand, the Bombardier Global 8000 is designed as the ultimate evolution of the global aircraft family. With a range of 8,000 nautical miles, it's currently the longest-range business jet in the world. Its top speed of Mach 0.94 makes it the fastest business jet in active service, capable of breaking the sound barrier under specific conditions. The Global 8000 has a slightly smaller cabin than the G700 but offers extraordinary comfort. Bombardier's new age seating system and cabin innovations provide a smooth, luxurious experience. The aircraft includes a full-size galley, a dedicated crew suite, and a master suite with a stand-up shower. It also features the advanced PA Ring Copyright R air filtration system and a very low cabin altitude of 2,900 feet. When comparing the two, the Global 8000 has a slight edge in speed and range, making it ideal for non-stop ultra-long-haul flights. However, the G700 stands out for its spacious cabin and unique design flexibility. Both jets feature cutting-edge avionics. The G700 uses the Gulfstream Symmetry flight deck with active control side sticks and touchscreen technology, while the Global 8000 employs Bombardier's Vision flight deck with advanced ergonomics and synthetic vision. In terms of performance, both aircraft offer outstanding reliability and can access a wide range of airports despite their size. They are built with advanced materials and aerodynamic designs to enhance efficiency. Pricing for these jets is in the ultra-premium category, with the G700 priced around $75 million and the Global 8000 estimated slightly higher. Ultimately, the choice between the G700 and Global 8000 comes down to priorities. Those seeking the largest, most luxurious cabin may lean toward the G700, while those who value maximum range and speed might prefer the Global 8000. Both represent the pinnacle of private aviation and redefine